Yeah, Keeter! Way to go!
She's
Floor
good.
it!
You have the throttle set?
Yeah.
Good.
I've got to shut off. I can't get it down any further. Yeah, first gear with that throttle cracked back, she can't do nothing but that right there.
Perfect.
I can actually chase her down in first gear.
Dude, that's perfect.
Yeah. I got to check the bearings on those wheels. I might have to go back up to Harbor Freight and get me some more.
Look, I'm burning this one.
Keeter! Did you see that? Did you see her do the one leg?
Yeah. I'm gonna ask her to come all this way here.
She's getting the hang of it.
Wow. It's amazing. She's not even 4. Oh, Carson, please careful.
She sees it. Watch out, you're.
Yeah. Come here.
Come here.
Yeah. Now turn. Turn.